Three. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to see this popcorn pack. Boom! So, put it in. Like that. I think you're supposed to do it like that. Okay. Okay, what other buttons like this? Like how much, Mom?
230.
230.
Yes, now start.
Start button, okay. Let's go. Come, zoom in. Carefully. Pop. Put it carefully to pop open. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? That's so cool. Okay. It'll pop in a few minutes. Oh. So make sure to put it on the 230 temperature. It's gonna be good. It will pop in a second. It will pop. Make your dreams. Okay, it's opening. That means it's gonna pop. It's opening. Opens, that means it's gonna pop. If it opens, it's starting to pop. Do you see that? It got bigger. It's getting bigger. Ooh. Wow. It opened. It's popping. Oh, up. Ooh. Ooh, look. Look at that. Pop open. It is you. Oh, wow. Look at it go. Look at it go, guys. Look at it go. Whoa. Ah. So, it's growing so much. Look at the size. From the tiny little packet to this big. That's like huge. The size of my hand, actually. 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 41, 40.
When it reaches 20, stop it.
Okay, when it reaches 20, I'll stop.
Or 25.
29, 27, 26, 25. You sent in 25. Stop.
That's well done. It's super hot. You need an adult.
Oh, it popped. One of them popped. You need an adult for safety first. Let's see my mama pop it open. Oh, you need both of them. She's holding the camera. She's holding the phone, so it's quite tricky for her. Oh. That's not pouring too much. Look at the buttery yellowish. Yummy. When it's yellow, it's always buttery. Ding. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. I'm Maria Sparkles. And subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.